Here's a pair of the Soundcore Q20i Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S26 smartphone. So the first thing I want to put these in a pairing mode. I'll know that these are in pairing mode when the light here is blinking blue, 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 okay? So now the headphones are currently off. Let me go ahead and just turn these on. Let me press and hold that power button. Just wait, okay, now it's turning on. Now I'm waiting for a blue, 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 okay? I get like a solid blue light here, and then it just turns off, okay? The reason for me is because I'm connected to a different device, so let me manually put this in pairing mode. So let me first turn these headphones off. I'm gonna press and hold that power button for a few seconds, and just wait till it turns off. Okay, it's off. Now I'm going to manually put this in pairing mode. With the headphones off, I'm going to press and I'm going to continue to hold that power button until it starts blinking blue here. Okay, so power button here, they're currently off. Power button here, ready, press and hold, keep holding. Wait, keep holding. Wait. Hey, blue, 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 blue. It's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go ahead and jump over to our Android phone here. And then we're going to go directly to our settings here. So we're going to go to settings, go to connections, at least on this phone here, and then go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and you can see that little spinny thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is like 30 feet Bluetooth range or so, and it should show up down here under available devices, okay? It's still blinking blue, it's still in the pairing mode, and did find the Soundcore Q20i. So let me go ahead and tap on that. It's pairing with these Android phones. You should get a pairing request. We'll tap on pair. And voila, we are connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting these or no sound will come out of these, you can always factory reset these headphones. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.